Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to do a plan with me and for January, and we're going to use the kit for New Year's. How exciting. We're excited to get ready for a new year, get 2022 past us and 2023 started. I'm really excited about that, and that's what we're going to do today. So if this is something that you're excited about, hit that like button. If you're new here, my name is Brandi Reed with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners and digital stickers for Christian women. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if that's something that you're interested in. Would love to keep you around. Let's go ahead and get started planning. All right, so we're going to plan for January 2023. And we are now in the new planner. If you haven't tried out the new planner yet, I do have this for free, which I will link down below. This is just for January, the free planner. Just wanted to give you a little sample, little trial. So you can go to the link below to download the January 2023 planner. So none of these links here will work. It will just work for the whole month of January will work. So that's what we're going to be planning in. We're also going to be using the New Year's Eve sticker set. Little cute kids, some Bible verses, the washi down there, weekend, and then there's the second page. So that's the page we're going to use. I'm going to go ahead and open the Elements collection because I like working out of the Elements collection. And if you didn't know or do know, you can touch this right here, and that's going to open you in a second side. And I like to make it so it's like 3 of them or so I can see. And then I make that so I can use it. Now, I will say, I love these little kids right here. So I went ahead and worked on making sure to fit that in there. So, because I had to combine the two. So I did that ahead of time just so it matched up and everything. So that's going to be my first piece. I'm going to use, let's see, which washi. You know what? I think I'm going to bring that. Yeah, that's cute. And let's copy it and put it right there, but we're going to have to make that one a little bit smaller. Okay, so let's see. Let's use the other washi. I have a little washi I'm going to put down here. Now, sometimes when you use the Elements, no matter how you try to get it to be straight, might not be able to see it, but it's really wonky, really wonky. If you come in and touch the photo, it will straighten it out for you. So we're going to add that down there. Sunday is New Year's, so we're going to add in the Happy New Year block there. I want to add next, let's get our date covers in. I must have passed them. There they are. As you can see, they've got like little circles, and the reason I did that, I'm going to go ahead and drag them all in. The reason I did that is so that way you can use them on the week pages if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and drag these all in so that way it's easier. I can just zoom in and, oops, not center. There we go. Zoom in and not have to go back and forth. All right, so what I'm going to do, so because I don't want that little circle, I'm going to tap it, crop, bring that in and bring that in, done. And then just kind of resize to fit the box as best as I can. Now, I'm not really one, as we know if you've been around for a while, that I don't really care to be too precise, but I want it to look, you know, sort of nice. So it's not going to probably match up perfectly, but that's okay. I'm okay with it. I just like to play. That's my main thing. I'm not really crazy. My planner's not really all about beauty. It's just about fun and planning and just having a little bit of fun in my crazy day. Got one more to go. As you can see on this Sunday, or on this 2023 planner, I made all the calendars our Sunday calendars, Sunday start. But at the same time, I also did, as you can see right here, I did Sunday week and Monday week are all inside this one planner. So that way you have everything all here. Sometimes you may want to plan on a Sunday week. Sometimes you want to plan on a Monday week. And I wanted to make it easy to have everything all in one. Okay, so let's see. My weekend sticker for Saturday. Then we always have family time, and I think I passed it. Nope, here it is. Family time on Saturday. So I'm just going to make it easy. Copy and paste these in. And then we always go to church on Sunday, even though I'm not going to put it in on there because even though I know we'll go to church, I just really like the Happy New Year cute sticker. Where is my planner? I always do my planning on Sunday. Happy New Year. And again, we're just gonna, most of my planning is a lot of copy paste. Okay, let's see. Mondays, I have a coffee chat. So my coffee is a gold color, this. So let's do this pretty blue. Get it the size I want it. And then we're going to add in my coffee. It's just a business meeting that I get together with some of my friends that I've met online. We just chat for about an hour, see how our days have been going. We can help, oops, resize. We can help each other out in any way, encourage each other. Okay, so let's copy that because that's every Monday. And let's see, I have another meetings on Wednesdays. This one is at 10 a.m. for training. And I think I'm just going to leave that. Okay, I also have a Zoom meeting on Fridays. Yep, see how that one's went wonky that time? We'll just do like that. Zoom, it's at 9 a.m. Okay, now because black's not going to work on black, I want to color code it and we're going to make it white. my kids go back to school. Let's see, they go back to school on the 5th. So I want to do like a little, let's do, where's my boxes? Here's my boxes. I'm going to take this box and I'm going to use the photo and I'm going to shrink it down. So we really only need it Monday through Wednesday, because they go back on the 5th, and then make that super small. And I think I'm just gonna do it like that. And then type in no school again. No school. Excuse me. They're also, excuse me. They're also off on the 16th, and I think I'm going to use, since we got the blue all there. Excuse me. All the talking. No school. I think I put that on the wrong day. I sure did. It was supposed to be on the 16th. So we'll put that right there. Let's see. Payday, payday, payday. Where's my little... There it is. It's gold this time. We get paid on the 12th. And let's see, we're gonna do pay bills, because we always pay bills the Friday. So let's just make this easy on ourselves. Copy. Get paid every 2 weeks. Put that in. What else we got this month? All right, let's see if we can add some fun stuff in. Oh, Bible study. I didn't put Bible study in. There's Bible study. I'm going to stick that there for just a second so I don't copy that as well. And I wish that had a Sunday, but it started on a Monday, because I just love this little guy. I want to show you him. Let's put him over here so maybe he don't copy. Isn't he cute? I just think he's adorable. New Year's Eve. But it's okay. What else do we have? I'll put a verse in. Let's see. Let's put this guy down here. I just like to add just a little bit of, we'll add that in there. And I like this rainbow. Add that in there. And, you know, as the month goes on, I'll add all these different things in. This is just my start. So, yeah. There is January, the beginning of January. And again, like I said, I'll leave the link to the January free version planner, so you can check that out if you'd like. I will also link the sticker set and all of the things that you would need to do this. If you haven't already, if you didn't know about my everything bundle, that is an amazing offer right now. You can purchase the everything bundle, and it is everything in the shop: digital planners, digital stickers, every digital planning item. Not only do you get everything that's currently in the shop, but you also get everything that is future in the shop. So purchasing it now is the best price it'll be, because over time I'll be obviously adding new things to it, and then the price will go up. So grab that, check that out, grab it, and I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know and leave a comment below, and you have a wonderful, blessed day.